Good day everyone. We're Company 1 of Cylindrical Manipulator of MEXCET 3202, and today we'll be discussing the Jacobian matrix of a cylindrical manipulator. First, in this kinematic diagram of the cylindrical manipulator, it is an RPP or revolute prismatic alongside the DH parametric table. So, based Based on the linear algebra method, the Jacobian matrix of cylindrical manipulator will be like this one. So the first joint is revolute. So the linear is R01 times 001 times the quantity of D03 minus D01 minus 1. And the rotational is R00 times 001. The next two joints are prismatic, so it will be R01 times 001 and 00 for the rotational. Same structure with the next joint, it is R02 times 001 and 000 for the rotational. In assigning values to the link lengths and joint variables, A is equals to 30, A2 is equals to 30, A3 is equals to 30, while theta 1 is equals to negative 90, D2 is 0, and D3 is equals to 0. So for the Jacobian matrix solution, R00 times 001 is equal times 001 is times 001 is the last column of the 3 by 3 side matrix, which is 001, because any matrix that will be multiplied to a 001 is 3 by 1 matrix is equal to the last column. Now, D03 minus D001 times to this matrix minus to this matrix. Now, for substituting the given values of the link lengths and joint variables, D03 minus D00 is equals to 30 plus 0 times cosine negative 90, 30 plus 0 times sine negative 90, 30 plus 30 plus 0 minus to this matrix of 0, 0, 0 is equals to 0, negative 30, and 60. And for the final answer, the rotational matrix times 0, 0 times 0 minus 30 times 60 is equals to 30, 0, and 0. So the final answer for the column 1 is 30, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1. So for column 2, it is prismatic. So R01 times 001 is equals to cosine theta 1 negative sine theta 1 0 sine theta 1 cosine theta 1 0 0 0 and 1 times to this matrix of 0, 0, 1 equals to 0, 0, 1. So for the rotational matrix is equals to 0, 0, and 0. So for the final answer is equals to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and 0. Column 3, prismatic. So R02 times 001 equals sine theta 1, 0, cosine theta 1, negative cosine theta 1, 0, sine theta 1, 0, negative 1, and 0 times the matrix of 0, 0, 1 equals to 0, negative 1, and 0. So for the rotational is also 0, 0, 0. And for the final answer, it is equals to 0, negative 1, 0, 0, 0, and 0. And now we got the Hobian matrix of the cylindrical manipulator. So x prime is equals to 30, 0, and 0. Next is y prime. It is equals to 0, 0, negative 1. Next is z prime equals to 0, 1, 0. Next is omega x. It is equals to 0, 0, and 0. Omega prime, it is also equals to 0, 0, and 0. Omega z equals to 1, 0, 0 times to this matrix of theta 1 prime, d2 prime, and d3 prime.